Hi kids, let's learn about action words or action verbs. Simply express an action. The action is something the subject of the sentence or the clause is doing, and it includes sleeping, sitting, napping, and so on. Even though there is no movement, but there is still an action. So let us learn about the action words. 1. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. 2. Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Number 3. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Number 4. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Number 5. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Six. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Seven. Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. Eight. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Number 9. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. 10. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Number 11. crawl. C-R-A-W-L, crawl. Crawl. C-R-A-W-L, crawl. 12. Climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. 13. Walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Walk. W-A-L-K, walk. 14. Catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. 15. Pick. P-I-C-K, pick. Pick. P-I-C-K, pick. 16. Pluck. P-L-U-C-K, pluck. P-L-U-C-K, pluck. P-L-U-C-K, pluck. 17. Jump. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. 18. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. 19. Bend. B-E-N-D, bend. B-E-N-D, bend. 20. Wash. W-A-S-H, wash. W-A-S-H, wash. 21. Pull. P-U-L-L, pull. P-U-L-L, pull. 22. Dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. 23. Paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. 24. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. 25. Run. R-U-N. Run. Run. R-U-N. Run. That's all for now, kids. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye for now.